Hello and welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 4q minus 7 is less than or equal to 5. We will be providing the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. So let's get started with solving this inequality. To solve the inequality 4q minus 7 is less than or equal to 5, we start by isolating the variable term on one side of the inequality. This means we need to get 4q by itself on one side. First, we need to undo the subtraction of 7 from 4q. We can do this by adding 7 to both sides of the inequality. This step is based on the principle that adding the same number to both sides of an inequality does not change the inequality's direction. So, we add 7 to both sides. This changes our expression from 4q minus 7 is less than or equal to 5 to 4q minus 7 plus 7 is less than or equal to 5 plus 7. The negative 7 and positive 7 on the left side cancel each other out because negative 7 plus 7 equals 0. So now our inequality looks like 4q is less than or equal to 12. We have altered our expression from 4q minus 7 is less than or equal to 5 to 4q is less than or equal to 12 by adding 7 to both sides. This brings us to the next step, where we will solve for q by eliminating the multiplication by 4. Next, we need to eliminate the multiplication by 4 in the term 4q. To do this, we divide both sides of the inequality by 4. This is done because when you divide both sides of an inequality by the same positive number, it does not change the direction of the inequality. So we divide 4q by 4, and we also divide 12 by 4. This changes our expression from 4q is less than or equal to 12 to q is less than or equal to 12 divided by 4. We simplify 12 divided by 4 to get 3. This leaves us with the inequality q is less than or equal to 3. This means we have solved for q. In interval notation, this solution is written as negative infinity to 3 with the 3 included. This is indicated by using a square bracket next to the 3. So the interval notation is from negative infinity to 3 square bracket. This completes our solution. In summary, the value of q that satisfies the inequality 4q minus 7 is less than or equal to 5 is any number less than or equal to 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.